In this quick video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So to uninstall apps, we can simply install it from Microsoft Store, but we can't uninstall it from Microsoft Store. You can see I can install this application from here, but I can't see any option to uninstall this app. So to uninstall any app, we just need to simply search here settings. We need to open settings of our Windows 11. Then we just need to click here on apps. We can simply navigate all our apps from here. Then click on install apps. Then you can see all of the apps are here which we have installed in our PC. We can simply uninstall any of these apps from here. I can simply scroll down and you can see this was the application I installed from Microsoft Store. I can simply uninstall it by simply clicking on these three dots. Then I can simply see multiple options. I just need to click on uninstall, then simply again click on uninstall, and now you can see the uninstalling process has been started and my application is uninstalled now. So this is the method you can use to uninstall applications in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.